There are a few things to keep in mind before painting hands. Are the hands the subject of the piece? Are the hands as important as the primary subject of the painting? The way the hands are portrayed is important. If they are to be gently placed on the lap of a child, then the hands probably won't need as much detail. If it's a painting of hands holding something significant or the hands themselves are the subject of the painting, then the detail should be more distinct. Anatomy is another thing that is extremely important to remember. What happens under the skin is what determines what happens on top of the skin. There's no need to remember all the ligaments, muscles and bones by name, but it's important to realize they do exist underneath and are the form and volume of the hand. It helps you understand why a wrinkle or a shadows happens there as opposed to there. My demonstration on hands. I hope this demonstration is helpful and more importantly, is clear. Doing the best I can. I am not a writer. I am going to try to make this as brief as possible, but hands are complex to paint, especially when they are the dominant subject. But certainly hands are not impossible, and in this demonstration, you will see how I attempt to paint them.